Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Debbie, Diamond Painting Cajun. How are y'all doing today? I hope everyone is doing good. Look y'all, can't see my gray no more. My hairdresser, I went to my hairdresser today. She's awesome. She got rid of the skunk stripe. I'm just saying. I have a PR package to unbag for y'all today. I hope everyone is doing well, and yeah, I hope everyone's week went okay and everyone's doing good and families are good. Yeah, like I said, I have a PR package. Yeah, got another one, and it's from You Craft Day, and I'm gonna get started with it. I can't even see. Got a lot of goodies in this PR package. Thank you so much, y'all, for watching me. I really appreciate y'all joining me tonight. Well, it's nighttime where I'm at. I'm gonna go with the first diamond painting, and I might even have one like it. I think I just did one like it, but it's okay. Just because I love mixing butterflies. Alrighty, so I'm gonna kind of fold it back so that everybody could get a good look at it, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. Let me see, this one was, and this is from You Craft Day. Thank you, You Craft Day, for sending me these items. I really appreciate it. I really like these. And it's butterflies, y'all. Again, I think it's the same kind of butterflies I ordered last time, but from a different company. So this is a 30 by 40 centimeter. It's butterflies. It's a round full drill. It has 21 colors, and the schematics on the left top and bottom right, and it's very colorful. The drill feels clear, as you guys can see. The butterflies are pretty. The butterflies are a different color than the other butterfly when I just posted, so they are different colors, so that's a plus. But let's check the stick on it. Stickiness is great. It comes with the bolt, a plate of wax, and a pin, a one placer. And the drills are round. They come in Ziploc baggies, and they seem to look really nice. These are the colors. They have all sorts of different colors. They have light blues, dark blues, yellows, beige, dark browns, like maroons, greens. I don't want to take them out because they're all separated. But yeah, and the backs of the drills seem to look really nice. They're really flat. And I'm going to show y'all again. And this is the item number, in case y'all interested. The item number's right here. And then 30 by 40 centimeter. And this one was, if you went to their website, when I checked it out this week, it was $5.38. So, yeah, it was $5.38, which is, I love their canvases. I like their canvases. I like all canvases. Doesn't matter where I get it from. And we're gonna do the next one. I have a lot of light shining down on me. I hope y'all can see that. I'm missing one. Oh no, I'm not. I thought I was missing one, y'all. I'm not. My bad. Oh Lord. This one, the canvas is a little stiffer. Yeah, a little bit stiffer, but we're gonna roll it up and I'm gonna get it to try to lay out a little bit, lay soft, get it softer. It's a little stiff, but this one's y'all know what this one is. It's a red truck and it says blessed on it, and it is also a 30 by 40. Yeah, it is a 30 by 40 centimeter. It's a full round drill. The drill feels clear, as y'all can see. The drill field is clear. Look, the watermelons. Look, oh my God, it's so cute. I love the red truck. The red truck is so cute. Y'all know I like red truck. It even has butterflies. Even has the butterflies. It has 24 colors, and the schematics. It has 24 color schematics at the bottom and the left top, bottom right. This truck has veggies in it. Look how cute it is. Blessed. I'm gonna do, well, when I do it, I'm gonna put some bling bling on that. It has apples, watermelon, flowers. The drill field is clear, like I said, really clear. And the stick on it, we're gonna check the stick. Stick on it is very good. And it comes with a plate of wax, a boat, and a pin. And the drills come in these little packages, and it's round. They're round. Like I said, round, full drill. They have light blues and pinks and reds and yellows, dark blues, oranges, different shades of greens, as you can see. It's hard for me to look up, y'all. I mean, yeah. So the drills seem to be pretty good on the back. They seem to be all flat. Look, that green. That's a pretty green. I like that green. And again, this is the canvas. I would love to do something with this blessed. Like, I don't know, maybe the same color, but like the dark blue ABs or even rhinestones right here. I love it. So, so, so cute. We're gonna move on. And this one was $6.18 if you had to purchase it. The next thing I got was a cross stitch kit, and it's a stamped cross stitch kit. And oh my gosh, I didn't realize like it had so many, oh my God, I didn't realize it had so many little things on it. It comes with one of these. Look, I'm showing y'all, trying to show y'all, but you know, it comes with that, with the needles. They got the needles stuck in the pin cushion. And I'm guessing this is a needle, this is a threader, like to thread it, to thread the needles. And it comes with 5 needles. Y'all, that's some small needles though. So it comes with those. And it's not a very big canvas, but it's supposed to be a cup with some cookies and like some peppermint and stuff, but you can't really see the, I don't know, it's kind of blurry to me. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's kind of blurry to me. I don't know. I'm going to show y'all the pattern, but that's the pattern. I'm not particularly fond of this. And you can't hardly tell what it is, but it really is cute. I mean, I find it's cute. I guess after I do the pattern, it's you'll be able to tell. But this is, it has 25 colors. So that's the pattern, and that's the schematics on the side. And they do have the DMC codes on the side of them, as do the diamond paintings as well. And this is the information. Well, it's in Chinese, so it's an 83 by 65, I'm guessing centimeter. And then this is the number. And this cross stitch, it's called Kitchen Dessert. It's an 11 count stamped, and it's 25 by 21 centimeter. That's what it says, but I don't know what this is. This must be inches. But it is a 20, my notes have, it's a 25 by 21 centimeter, and it was $3.60, and it is a stamped cross stitch. And I'm going to show y'all the colors for that. This should be fun. So, these are all the colors. I'm going to show y'all these first. These are the colors for the one side. They have pinks and reds, light blues, peach colors, and whites, off-whites, browns, grays, and this is the colors for the other side. I mean the other side of the colors. Now, I can do stamped cross stitching. I don't know. I'm just getting familiar with it, but yeah. So, you know, I'll just do what I can do. But like I said, it's it has 25 colors, so all the embroidery string, or whatever you call them. See, I don't even know what you call them. Those are the colors, and I don't know what this is for. I don't know if this is, anybody knows what this is for? Is this like a color or something? I don't know. I don't know what this is for. I guess it's extra. Oh yeah, because it has, okay, I see. Oh, that's for maybe the background? I don't even know. I don't know what this is for. So that might be for around the border, I'm guessing. I don't know. So if anybody knows, please leave that in the comment section below. What that's for, because I'm really not sure what it's for. It looks like it's a bunch of the embroidery string though. I'm just not sure if it's for the background or what. But there's the cross stitch one. And then I have one more thing I got from them, which is the sheets of DMC numbers. And I'm gonna undo that. I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna take that right on out of there, if I can. So these are the DMC code colors with the numbers, and those were $1.99 to $2.20, 33 cents. Good grief. If I can. So they got, it starts the ones at the bottom, and then they have these, and then those, and then those. So those are the sheets, the DMC code sheets, and I think I'm gonna find these very useful. I don't know about y'all, but I will. So yeah, these are the things, like I said, I got, and from New Craft Day, and it was a PR package. And thank you to New Craft Day for sending me these. I really enjoy them. I know I'm gonna enjoy doing the diamond painting and the cross stitch as well. Now if I can get this back in the bag. All right. So that's it for the New Craft Day package, and I want to thank everybody for watching. I'm gonna leave links to everything that I showed you in this video in the description box below, and please feel free to leave any comments, or if you have any suggestions on cross stitching, y'all can leave that in the comment section below as well. Let me know what y'all think about the diamond paintings and the cross stitch kit. I guess that's all I'm gonna say for now, and if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so, as this helps my channel. Give me some thumbs up, and I guess I'll see y'all next time in the next video. Bye guys, thank you.